Book of Heaven, Volume 12, August 7th, 1918. The consummation of Jesus in the soul. I was lamenting to Jesus about his privation and was saying to myself, everything is over. What bitter days. My Jesus has eclipsed himself. He has withdrawn from me. How can I continue to live? While I was saying this and other nonsense, my always lovable Jesus, with an intellectual light that came to me from him, told me,
"My daughter, my consummation on the cross still continues in souls. When the soul is well disposed and gives me life within herself, I live again in her as if within my humanity. The flames of my love burn me. I feel the yearnings to attest it to creatures and say, 'See how much I love you.' I am not content with having consumed myself on the cross for love of you, but I want to consume myself for love of you in this soul who gave me life within herself. And therefore I make the soul feel the consummation of my life within her. The soul finds herself as though in a tight corner. She suffers mortal agonies. No longer feeling the life of her Jesus within herself, she feels consumed. As she feels my life missing in her, with which she was accustomed to living, she writhes, she trembles, almost like my humanity on the cross, when my divinity, withdrawing strength from it, let it die. This consummation in the soul is not human, but fully divine, and I feel the satisfaction as if another divine life of mine had consumed itself for love of me, as in fact it is not her life that was consumed, but mine, which she can no longer feel, no longer see, and it seems to her that I am dead for her. And I renew the effects of my consummation for creatures, and I redouble grace and glory for the soul. I feel the sweet enchantment, the attractions of my humanity, which allowed me to do whatever I wanted. Therefore, you too let me do whatever I want in you. Let me be free, and I will carry out my life."
Another day I was lamenting again and was saying to him, how can this be? You have left me. And Jesus, serious and imposing, told me,
"Quiet, do not speak nonsense. I have not left you. I am in the depth of your soul. This is why you do not see me. And when you see me, it is because I come to the surface of your soul. Do not get distracted. I want you all intent in me, so that I may keep you for the good of all."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.